Hello guys, welcome to Bhya Productions. Today I will be showing you how to make a paper airplane, the basic version or the traditional version. I don't know why they call it traditional though. So the reason why I'm making this is because you guys liked my how to make a paper bomb video. So I'm trying to make something similar and fun. So that's why I chose a paper airplane. I mean, who doesn't like paper airplanes? Everyone does. Everyone likes paper airplanes. So the first step to make a basic paper airplane is to fold it in half. Like this. Okay? Then open it up. And now you do the basic paper airplane stuff. Fold it into like these triangles or on this line over here. Okay? So try to make it perfect. Make it aligned. Okay? And then do the same with the other side. It may take some time, but trust me, it's really fun. Okay, once you're done, then you fold this top here. You fold this top to the bottom, not all the way, but just a little bit, like about here. So when you finish, it should look something like this. It should be having about this much space. Okay? Then once you're done with that step, you do the same basic paper airplane step again. You take that flap and fold it to the line. The line might be a little harder to see, but you can do it. Paper airplanes are so fun. I will be making a lot more different paper airplane videos for you guys. This is just the basic one. I'm gonna get into some more complex and more fun ones. So once you're done with that step, you will be having this one triangle over here, which you want to fold it up. It should look something like this. Okay? And so once you've done that part, you will turn it over. It looks like a house, sort of. And then you fold it in half, like so. Okay, and once you're done with that, you will be making the wings. So to make the wings, you just fold this to here. Okay, and it should be aligned pretty good. Okay, and then you do the same thing with the other side. You fold it. Okay, once you're done with that step, it should look something like this. Then you just open it up, and here it is, the basic paper airplane. It's so fun. You can make it pretty quickly. And here's another tip when you're throwing a paper airplane. So the way you throw a paper airplane is very easy. You hold it around this area, and then you throw it the pointy way. And if you throw it this way, it's not gonna work. Throw it this way. Okay. And if you want your paper airplane to stay in the air longer, then you need to. You see the wings here? You need to like curve them forward a bit. Like so. Okay. And when you do that, it will look something like this. So it's like a bit curved instead of flat. It's a bit curved. And when you throw it, the air will be pushing on these flaps instead of when it's flat. So when you do this, the wind will push on this and then make it go up. So it will stay in the air longer. And yeah, that's how you make a basic paper airplane. Hope you guys liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.